Hello students. I hope you all are fit and active at your home. Today I'm going to take a writing section which is notice writing. Now you all must be thinking, what is notice? A notice is a short piece of writing which is usually formal in its style. It is widely used by individuals and organizations to announce events and celebrations like birth anniversaries, inaugurations, sales, and so on. So let's see what is the format and how to write it.
Let's start with notice writing. What is notice? A notice is a short piece of communication written in formal style to convey important information to a group of people in an organization. Features of a notice writing: it is written within a box. Name of the organization, institution, or office issuing it is written on the top. Word notice should be mentioned. Date of issuing notice must be written. Precise title should be clearly given, indicating what the notice is about. Keep the notice simple and concise. The tone must be impartial and formal. Must contain all relevant information and details. Signature, name, and designation to be mentioned in the lower left bottom corner. One thing you all have to note down: the notice should always be written in third person. Format of a notice writing. Here is the format. First, we will draw a box. Then, we will write the name of the organization or institution along with the name of the city on the topmost line. Then, under the same, we will write the word notice. Then, in the left hand side of the box, we will write the date when we issue the notice. After that, we will write the title or heading in the center of the box, and then we'll start with the content. The word limit for the content should be 50 words, and it should include date, venue, and time. After completing with your content, put your signature, write your name in capital letters, and then under the same, write your designation. Please pay attention to the next slide that bears a sample of a notice with all necessary instructions indicated with the help of an arrow. Now here is a question. You are Anil Sharma, the Cultural Secretary of Modern School Delhi. Your school is organizing an inter-house English debate competition. Write a notice to be put on the school notice board inviting the names of participants for the same. Now, here is a sample of a notice writing. First, we will draw a box. Then, we will write the name of the school, that is Modern School, along with the name of the city, that is Delhi. This is already given in the question. Then, under the same, we will write the word notice just in the center. Then, in the left hand side of the box, we will write the date when we are issuing the notice, that is September 7, 2020. Then, in the middle, we will write the heading, that is Inter House English Debate Competition. Then, after writing your heading, we will start with our content. All the students and house coordinators are hereby informed that our school is organizing an inter-house English debate competition for classes 6 to 8 on 15th September 2020 in the school auditorium in 0 period. All the house captains, coordinators are requested to finalize two students from their respective houses and submit the names to the undersigned latest by 12th September 2020. For further details, contact the undersigned. After writing your content, we will put our signature. Then we will write the name who is issuing the notice. Here, Anil Sharma. It is given in the question itself. So that we will write in capital letters. Under the same, we will write the designation, which is cultural secretary. This is also given in the question itself. So whenever we will attempt a notice, we have to keep an eye on the question also. That whatever informations are there in the question, we have to follow the same. I hope you have understood notice writing. Thank you.